Welcome to Ringröse. This is an ancient burial site here in the middle of Sweden that I'm standing in the middle of at the moment. So this is about a 3,000-year-old stone ring that has been built in the Bronze Age or the Iron Age. And there's actually not that much known about this formation other than they have been used for rituals and for burials for several thousand years. They haven't really been investigated that much either, as nobody has dug them up or anything like that, so they have been pretty much preserved and untouched for hundreds or thousands of years. It's a pretty interesting place to visit and see. It's about 2 meters high and 35 meters wide, and there should be several of these stone piles somewhere else, but this is the largest one as far as I know in Sweden or in anywhere nearby. There's not much else around here, so it's just woods and a big round pile of rocks, and has been for a long time. I also took out my drone and flew around a bit and filmed, and even tried to do a little map of the surrounding area and of the stones themselves, and see if I can make a 3D model of them. And I can show you the 3D model, and if somebody is interested in taking a look.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back.